Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best 10-inch bandsaw you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best 10-inch bandsaw in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Rikon Power Tools Deluxe Bandsaw. The new and improved Rikon Power Tools 10-inch bandsaw 3061 is a replacement of our previous 306 model. Numerous features make this bandsaw extremely easy to operate and make adjustments to the blade, guides and fence. The increased cutting capacity, 2 blade speeds, and increased half a horsepower motor are quite ample enough for smaller projects, and will be appreciated by woodworkers having limited shop space for a larger size bandsaw. Improved features for easy operation: 2 blade speeds, tool-less blade guides, quick release blade tension lever, tilting 0 to 45 degree cast iron table, adjustable rip fence, larger blade tension knob, dust port for shop vacuum hookup, side windows for viewing blade tracking settings, storage hanger for the fence and tools, and safety paddle on-off switch. Reduced size is ideal for transporting, or storing, when not in use. Includes rip fence. Steel stand is available separately. This redesigned model includes a new 2.5-inch dust port which has been moved up from the base and is also now tilted upward 10 degree, so dust fittings will attach to it easier. The door hinges have been redesigned to make them sturdier to avoid breakage. Fence carrier now has 4 additional plastic inserts in case fence tilt adjustments are needed. Rip fence is supplied with a plastic pad on its end to allow the fence to slide easier. Our second best 10-inch bandsaw is Rikon Power Tools Bandsaw. The Rikon 10-inch bandsaw model 305 offers all of the same quality features found in larger bandsaws. Includes 1/3 of a horsepower motor, cast iron table and 4 5/8-inch resaw capacity. The 305 also includes a fence and micro-adjustable guide post height. A 2.5-inch dust port keeps your work area clear of dust. Includes features for easy operation: tilting 0 to 45 degree table, rip fence, large blade tension knob, dust port for shop vacuum hookup, and safety paddle on/off switch. Reduced size is ideal for transporting, or storing, when not in use. Includes rip fence. Steel stand and a miter gauge are available separately. Cast iron table, large 13 3/4 inch by 12.5 inch sturdy work surface, a feature not typically found on a bandsaw of this size. Rip fence: a quality rip fence is now included. Easily removed to do freehand work. Motor: 1/3 of a horsepower motor provides ample power for cutting bowl and pen blanks. Micro adjustable guide post raise and lower the guide post height with the turn of a handle. Third pick in our list is Wen 3962T 2-speed bandsaw. The Wen 10-inch 2-speed bandsaw is the perfect companion for any workshop. With a 3.5 amp motor and a 9 3/4 inch throat, this beast will attack boards with cuts up to 6 inches deep and 9 3/4 inches wide. 2-speed operation allows for speeds of either 1520 or 2620 fpm. The design of this saw uses 72-inch blades anywhere from 1/8 to 1/2 inches in size for a variety of both intricate and powerful cuts. The spacious work table measures in at 14 by 12.5 inches in size and can be swiveled up to 45 degrees. This package includes a flexible work light to illuminate the work table, a 3-in-1 dust port to fit a variety of dust extractor hoses, a fence for creating straight cuts, a miter gauge for angled cuts, and a stand. Ball bearings give the blade smooth operation and a long-lasting life for years of dependable service. The easy-to-assemble stand elevates the bandsaw without sacrificing space on the shop's workbench. Optional stand allows for either floor standing or benchtop applications. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is WEN BA39622 2-speed bandsaw. With its 3.5 motor amp, the WEN BA39622 2-speed bandsaw is the best bandsaw in terms of its easy-to-use and smooth operations. New users will find delight in its 9 3/4 inch throat size and spacious working space area. Unlike WEN BA39622 that has a 0 to 60 degrees bevel cuts, this model has a beveling table that can tilt from 0 to 45 degrees. With best benchtop metal bandsaw WEN BA3962, this model has 10-inch steel frame bandsaws that can cut at speeds ranging between 1520 and 2620 fpm and can also simply cut through wood pieces. This saw also has helpful accessories like a 3-in-1 dust port, stand and work lights. Last in our best 10-inch bandsaw list is Grizzly Industrial G0948 bandsaw. The feature-packed lightweight G0948 10-inch half HP bandsaw is a perfect entry-level machine for home or garage setups, or as an easy-to-move auxiliary saw for professional shops. With a maximum cutting height of 6 1/8 inch, you'll have as much resaw capacity as some 14-inch models. Designed for convenience and accuracy, the G0948 features adjustable ball-bearing blade guides to prevent blade wander. It uses a 72-inch blade and accepts blades from 1/8 to 1/2 inch wide with enough power to cut through green woods and other dense materials. The extruded aluminum fence is designed for easy attachment and removal from the rails. It has a magnified cursor scale for fast and accurate adjustments. A built-in LED work light will illuminate your workpieces and help you see your cut line better. If a lightweight and affordable, yet durable, feature-rich 10-inch bandsaw is just what you and your projects need, then this is the one.